Okay, so this is my 1985 Honda Atc 250SX. And I know a lot of these people think that they're just illegal in general, but they're not. And I'm actually proud to say that I have mine legally registered and insured. So what I had to do is get one of these plates and get the ownership for this. Let me tell you a little bit about that after we take this girl for a rip first. Okay, so now I got my plate on there. Like I said, I'm putting it on this bar because if I put it on the back right now and I do a wheelie, it's just gonna fall off. We don't want to lose that plate. First thing I'm gonna do is take it for a ride right now because it's been too long. And then I'll tell you guys the process of how I got this plate for this and for this illegal three-wheeler. Gotta stop for the stop sign, right? Jesus Christ, this place got torn up. Looks like a really good spot for a picture. All right, looks like these new GoPro batteries actually ended up working. For those that don't know, you need to get enduro batteries for the winter time when you have a GoPro. All right, time to go take some quick lap around here. Go over all these mountains and hills and stuff. And then I'll tell you more about how I ended up getting my plate. Wow, a little close call there. A little risky going 160 swiftly, right? But damn, she's beaut out here today. Let's get to the top of that mountain. I love days like today. It's really nice and warm outside. The snow is hard enough you could still glide on top of it. This is a perfect spot for a three-wheeler. Okay, if you guys are longtime viewers, some of you guys might know how I already did this. But I'll explain to you what I had to do to get this plate. What I did is I got an ownership for my 250 SX. And how to do that is you just grab the VIN, bring it in, get the bill of sale from the previous owner, and you might have to sign an affidavit saying how you got it, and then they give you an ownership. After you have the ownership, that's when you call insurance companies. For me, this is Ontario. The only insurance company that I heard of that was able to insure these is through Desjardins Insurance. So if you're looking to get yours insured, that's where I would start. It's really not that bad either. The whole insurance for the whole year was maybe 100 and something, less than $9 a month. So for $9 to have peace of mind and be able to ride that beauty all the time with no issues of it getting impounded, well, that seems like a good deal to me. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this helped out some of you guys too. If you don't know that you can actually plate and insure these three-wheelers, they are not illegal. A lot of these people like to claim that these three-wheelers are illegal and banned. No. They are banned from sales of new manufacturing. And I think, to be honest, that's lifted by now. But don't quote me on that part. Anyways, thanks for sticking around. I'm gonna get some more riding in today. Hope that helped. Later. I'll put you guys down for a second. No problems. Now, do you think I can make it up? I meant to do that. I don't think it's gonna happen, boys and girls. Oh, I hope this is entertaining for you guys at least. Jesus. Holy crap. Woo. Need to take the helmet off after that. Jeez. Hey. Whoa. That was close. I thought I had it for sure. Damn, we were so close that time.